Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your CookieRun app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for CookieRun app, or just click on search. So then here at CookieRun, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store. You search here for CookieRun. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.